Yo, what is up, guys? It is MOTOVLOG day, and it's finally happening. We're actually going to explore and going on an adventure. So the only reason I haven't been is because there's been some stuff with the bike, and I finally got over the sickness of lazy bonesitis and decided to fix them. So the things that were wrong that I've been complaining about were my chain was super duper loose, fixed that. The bike used to run hot and almost overheat, I fixed that. So we are finally ready. She is tuned and ready to go on an adventure. So in today's video, we are going to the Rocky Mountain Arsenal. I think that's what it's called. It's like a animal refuge place where they rescue animals, and it's free. It's in Commerce City, which, ooh, you know. But I'm so happy we finally get to go on an adventure. We have to take I-70 there, so I'm not gonna film because it's boring and the whistle. But I-70 is an adventure on its own. Hopefully we make it there in one piece. All right, so I tried to turn the camera on, but I couldn't get to it in time because as you can see, I'm currently pulled over. Just had a stroke. I need to get going. I got to clear open space too. My Bluetooth disconnected, and I didn't have any Bluetooth that whole time. So I was guessing, and I actually got my exit right. So now we're back on the road. I got Siri in my helmet again. Oh fuck, I said her name. Oh, okay, she didn't hear me, thank God. And now we're only 8 minutes away. Got a little annoyed because it's been disconnected for a while now, but that's all right, it's over, it's done with. Oh, that's a sick mural, an astronaut with Denver in the helmet. Oh, that's sick. I think Dick's Sporting Goods Park is coming up. I've actually never seen it in person. Is Commerce City always hot? I always feel like it's just hot. Now, I'm a little scared, okay, because apparently, not apparently, I mean, there's wildlife here, right? Hopefully we see some. I really hope we see some. And there's buffalo that you can just that are free roam, and you can do a drive and stuff. You know, you do that kind of shit in cars. What if a buffalo just decides that, oh, you know, this short little white boy on this bright red moving dot looks like a good target, and just decides to kill me? Listen, as long as I'm filming, it's okay. Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge, so that's what it's called. So right now I'm going to the visitor center just so I can kind of get my bearings, maybe set up my second camera, and kind of, you know, let the bike chill for a second. Damn, all this is a big field though, huh? Prairie Gateway Open Space. Sick. There's the park. The Dick's Sporting Goods Park. I gotta go to a game there or something. Wow, that's a really beautiful view of the mountains. Oh my God, I saw little groundhogs. Oh my God. Oh, the groundhogs. Look, the groundhog. You see him? Look. Oh, he went in his little hole. Yo, they're everywhere. Oh my God, this is gonna be amazing. Did you see the prairie dog? If this is cool, I'm gonna have to take the car here sometime and just, well, I mean, I guess it would be fun around a motorcycle. I feel one with the wildlife, right? Welcome to Rocky Mountain. Oh, I'm gonna have to stop there and get a picture. I guess we're officially here. There's the sign. Look at that. Oh my God, that is actually so cool. You've got the mountains and then Denver. Wow. All right, let me get cameras set up and let's go see if we can see some wildlife. So what I'm gonna do is I put Google Maps away because I want to, you know, do some adventure stuff. I like doing that stuff. I like just not know. Damn, that is a big ass plane over there. I like doing some adventure stuff and just going where the road goes. So there's a sign over here. I know I want to do the wildlife drive and I would like to stop at the lakes. There's a map over there if I get lost, but we're just gonna go explore. Okay, that's what I came here to do. It's finally time to do some exploring. I've missed it so much. Is this a one-way? You think this is one-way? I don't care, I'm going. I have to have my eyes peeled, man. I want to see some wildlife. I want to see some buffalo. Let's look at some buffalo, huh? All right, so we want to go left. Wildlife drive. Before we get there, hey, pray that I don't get smooshed by a buffalo. Man, this is cool though. It's just like a really big field. The GoPro can't pick it up, but that is actually beautiful, dude. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look at those mountains, dude. And Denver in the back. All right, here we go. Cattle guard. Cyclist dismount. Oh no, I hope my tires are big enough. Oh, are we gonna make it over the cattle guard? Oh yeah, we're chilling. Oh, I love those. They go, dude, we must be close to an airport. That plane is like, that's so weird. Like, planes are so trippy. Like, dude, that is just an enormous hunk of metal just flying through the air right now. And look at, he's probably mobbing, but look how slow it looks like he's going. Can y'all see this? Wow. That, you think those people can see me? Hello. Hey, how are ya? Let me know where the buffalo are. It's supposed to be bald eagles too. Now, of course, it's like midday, so animals might not be on the move, but I wanted to come when there wasn't going to be a lot of people, because this is like a really popular like tourist destination. Obviously it's summer, so I wanted to go when there wasn't a lot of people and I could kind of, you know, enjoy it. Let's hope we don't become buffalo food. Oh my god, there's something in the road. There's a little duck and there's a bird in the road. What's this bird? Oh, we got some wildlife. Okay. Stay calm. What do we got? If it's a goose, I'm gonna be annoyed. Let's see. Oh my god, it's a goose. It's geese. Look at that lake though, man. Wow. Look at that. I'm not here to spook you. Sorry. No. You're chilling. Oh wow, that is a lot of geese. You're chilling. I'm not here to hurt you. I know it's loud. I'm sorry. Damn, that's a lot of geese though. Look at that lake, man. Wow. Wait. Why are we stopping? What are we stopping for? What's up here? What are we stopping for? I don't see anything. What are we? Hey, huh? Hey, what are we doing? What are we stopping for? Oh, there's a deer over there. You see the deer out there? You guys ain't gonna be able to see him. There's a tiny little deer out there. Just one little, yep, there he goes. Yeah, I'm glad I fixed the coolant issue before I came out here, because it's, you know, this is a spot where we would definitely run hot, boys, and we were chilling. Look at the deer. Oh, he's eating a leaf. Is he gonna let me go around him? Yeah, he is. This one little deer. Hi. Mile 1 of the wildlife drive. Okay. How many miles is the wildlife drive? I probably should have looked it up. Wow, this is just a long stretch of road. Oh god, I almost hit that dragonfly. He was coming mock Jesus at my helmet. Oh Lord. I want to see some wildlife. It's kind of nice having this road all to myself. Hit some little meow. Do not approach fence. Why? Oh wow, look at this. Hold on. This looks like a cool shot for like a picture or something. Look at that. Hold on. Picture. Hang on. Picture. Hold on. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna pull more in here and take a picture like that. Wait, that is cool, dude. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to take a picture like that real quick. We just got some pictures. They came out pretty sick. I'll put them up, of course, but listen to this. Okay, besides this bug in my face, you guys see this? Look at, you see him? Come here, you little rat. I can hear him. I hear him go, hee. Where'd you go? Look at this though, huh? All right, look, I'll take one more. I'll show you guys. Look at this. Isn't that cool looking? Wow. Uh-oh, big sign. One-way road for the next wait, hold the phone. That says what now? One-way road for the next 7 miles. Drive time 30 to 40 minutes. Holy, all right, I guess we're getting ready to get into it, huh? Wait, 30 minutes for okay, boys. Let me just, let me check the old gas tank, make sure we ain't gonna run out. Yeah, we're full. All right, I guess it starts now. Our adventure starts right here. All right, let's go. Here we go, boys, one way. Oh, I feel like I'm entering Jurassic Park. Okay, does this say no motorcycles? Bye, nope, we're chilling. Whoa, okay, hold on. Whoa. Did you see that huge crack right there? Okay, I'm gonna have to get some speed to hit that, first of all. And secondly, I'm gonna have to avoid that crack. I almost went right into that crack. Okay, here we go, boys. All right, oh, look at the bird. Okay, we've already got some more wildlife. Look at the bird. Oh, holy, oh my gosh. Look at that. Dude, wow. Wait, it's a one-way road, huh? Oh yeah, it is. Look at that, guys. You can't even tell that there's mountains in the background back there, can you? Wow. Dude, this makes me feel like I'm in a whole nother oh, you guys cannot see it, but there is a deer way out there. He just laid down. You ain't gonna be able to see it, and I'm not even gonna try to zoom in because ain't no way I can pick that up. Look at that, dude. It feels like I'm in like Wyoming or something, dude. Not Commerce City. There's the buffalo sign. Oh, the buffalo sign. All right, finally. Oh Lord, please don't let me be buffalo meat. Dude, I wish the GoPro would do this justice, guys. Holy crap. Dude, I'm paying more attention to that view than the road. Okay, buffalo. I've never really seen plains like this. I mean, I have driven through like Wyoming, Nebraska, and the Dakotas, but look at the birds chasing each other. Oh, what's this say? Stay in your vehicle. Oh no, that is not what I like to hear. Do you think stay on counts? Don't run in front of me, bird. Don't do it. Don't do it. Good bird. Do you think people think I'm an idiot? They're gonna be like, this guy did this on a motorcycle, but so far there's no buffalo, so we're chilling. Oh look, did you guys see her? I don't want to spook her. Oh, I'm gonna spook her. I won't go down there. Oh wait, oh she. There's a car behind me, and I'm fucking stuck sideways, boys. Look how pretty that is. Well, now I've got a car behind me. That's kind of sucks. Oh my, wow. Look at this. It is nothing but plains. Oh my gosh. Still no buffalo. You can see Denver over the, oh, whoa. Mile 4, I already forgot how many miles it said. This is no joke, man. This is so pretty. I cannot get over that. It literally just looks like plains as far as the eye can see until, you know, it's not. All right, let's get going. I let a bunch of cars pass me, so pick our line and go with it. Woo! That was a little bit louder. You hear that? It said, gunk. Oh my gosh. What a hidden gem in Commerce City, because Commerce City's, you know, it's not the prettiest, sorry, but why is this car stopped up here? Oh, there's multiple cars stopped up here. Okay, guys, listen. Okay, if there's a buffalo and I need to get the hell out of the way, what are they looking at? Guys, don't leave me out. Show me. Guys, where are the animals? Shit. Oh, there was a groundhog. Oh my God, there was a groundhog. Did you see it? Look, you see him? Look. Look, there he is. Hi. Oh, there's a little groundhog. Oh, there's another one. Look, there's another one. Look at the little groundhog. Oh, he's looking at me. Are they the ones that go, ah, you know? Play the clip. Ah! Are they those things? Ah! Ah! Oh, there's so many groundhogs. I'm definitely gonna have to find out when the buffalo, look at all of them. Oh, they scurried to their little hole. I'm sorry, my bad. Look at them all scurrying. Oh, he's looking right at me. He's the Giga Chad of the group. Dude, the view that this place has of those mountains is insane. Look at all these birds. Oh, I'm getting ready to fly through them. Oh, please don't hit me. There's a watering hole right here. Anything at the watering hole? Any fish? Look at all these birds. Dude, look at all of these birds. No, come back. I want to get a Snapchat, guys. Oh, no. Do you think I'm going to get pooped on? Oh, they're kind of leaving me. Oh, they all left me. Now, they said stay in your vehicle, not stay on. So, that is beautiful. Look at that. What a shot. What a shot. Oh, they're back. They're back. Oh my God, they're back. Wait, where'd all the birds go? Oh, they're up higher. I know that's going to be really hard for you guys to see. Oh, careful, bird. I don't want to hit you. If this wasn't a wildlife sanctuary, this would be an amazing place to do a top speed run. There we go. Look, here's a deer. I don't want to spook you. I'm sorry. Don't let me spook you. Don't let me spook you. I don't want to spook you, big guy. I'm not trying to spook you, big. Oh, no. I spooked him a little bit. There he is, though. Look at him prance. Oh, that's amazing. I'm sorry I didn't mean to spook you. Hey, can you tell me where the buffalo are? Hey, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can you tell me where the buffalo are? He doesn't know. Hi, guys. I don't know why I'm whispering. Should we grab one of these? We're gonna grab one. Look at the size of this dandelion. Oh, I'll blow it in front of the camera. I can't blow it, but look, ready? Yay! All right, the car's catching back up. We gotta go. Oh my God, look at the size of this bump, boys. Speed limit 5. How big is this bump? Oh, hello, little birdie. What? Is there like a water crossing? Oh, okay, no, we're chilling. All right, here we go. Oh, Lord, looky here. All right, up we go, up we go. What is that big boob thing out there? Why is there one big boob? Stay in vehicle. Yeah, I'm staying on it. I can't stay in it. I'm sorry, you know. I'm staying on it though, maybe. Oh my gosh. You could do such a cool top speed run. Look at, oh my, wow, look at that shot of Denver. Look at that. Wow. I've never seen like it like from this perspective before. Like all the mountains, you can actually see towards my house. I think I'm over that way. No, that's Boulder. Yeah, that's Boulder. Those are the Flatirons. So I'm over that way. Wow, that's crazy. You can see the Flatirons from here. That is amazing. That is so beautiful. There's that boob thing. What is that boob thing? Oh, there's a ladybug on my camera. Oh, look. Look. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, hello. Come to me. Oh, yes. No. Oh, I just dropped him off the Empire State Building. There he is. Look at the prairie dog. All my homies love prairie dogs. Look. Don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. There he is. Hi. Can you go? Ah, for me? Go. Ah. Oh, he's squeaking. He's squeaking. He's going. Oh my God! Look at them. They're like a little gang. You are. Oh, you are entering the bison area. Oh my God! Yes. Yes, they have their own area. Oh my God! I didn't know the bison had their own separate area. Yeah, I'm gonna let this guy pass me, I think. They're in a hurry for some Florida. Calm the fuck down, Florida. I gotta get back up on the sidewalk. Sidewalk. I gotta find the bison before my camera on my face dies. Bison, where are you? Damn, end of one way. Yeah, we didn't see any, man. Oh, I just wanted to see one. What a bummer, dude. It's fine. I mean, I still had a great time, but I wanted to see some buffalo. Well, you know, that means we're gonna have to come back eventually. I just killed an enormous bug on my visor. I heard him go, gunk. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. That was an amazing time. Bummer we didn't get to see any buffalo, but we got to see some wildlife. I would go through it again and look for more, but my camera is literally at 15% and I don't have any extra batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.